Are you ready? So guys, welcome back to another BAW YouTube episode. As you can see, we have the Clearview car here. This is one of their Hiluxes that we are going to throw a jungle bull bar on it. It's getting a set of Nava spotties, it's getting a UHF and a few other little bits and pieces. But yeah, should be pretty cool. Clearview, good friends of ours, Uncle Mike looks after us really well, so we're going to look after him on this one. But probably next time you'll see it, this will hopefully be off and cut and everything ready to go to throw the bar on and go from there. So follow along. What? Right?
Oh, just trying to cut it open.
Clearly you can see the bar is on, spotties are on, UHF is done. Going to run you through a few cool features that are with the jungle bar. Going to start off with the LED indicators and parkers are a standard feature in these bars, same with the fog lights. So if your car doesn't have factory fog lights, we just run a whole new loom, wire them up with a factory switch. If it does have fog lights, we just wire those into the factory one and it works as per normal. Another cool little feature has the built-in high lift jack mounts. So yes, you can jack straight off the front of your bar and you're not going to have issues. Has the rated recovery points on both sides. Now, the thing with recovery points is the way they rate them is different. So most of your recovery points are a straight line pull. So some of them are 4 ton straight on. All your other ones are a bit different on how they do it. But yeah, if you're recovering it on this angle, you can't expect that to do the same as what it would to go forward. So you've got to read up on the specs on that and how they actually want you to use the recovery points. A few other cool features is it's basically a complete bar. So what you see is what you get. It has a cradle that bolts to the chassis, which is winch compatible on all of them, and then the bull bar actually bolts to that cradle. Most of the jungle bull bars are a full bumper replacement, so you get these cool little infill panels here, so you don't have to do bumper cuts, and they are tested and designed physically in Australia. Put them onto a machine, crash them into a wall, and full ADR test them for the car and for the airbags. So that's a few of the features on that one. Spotlights come on with a high beam with an isolation switch, and then we all know how UHFs work. Can I get a radio check, that sort of thing?
Copy that. I have a message for you.
We're here with Jure from Clearview. The guys came to us because they needed a couple of extras on the Hilux. Jure, tell me why you needed the bar and the lights and the UHF, because you're doing something for work.
Travelling most of New South Wales now, New South Wales and ACT, and heading out rural areas, so that's pretty much a must.
Something like this was a necessity.
Yeah.
So what's probably something that you see on the road most of all? It's Australia, so...
Yeah, well, roos really, yeah.
Roos,
so
roos.
This will help us out a bit.
Yeah,
so,
fantastic.
And the lights are good too. I think, yeah, this is something it's almost a must now for a lot of people.
Yeah, definitely.
Some good spotties.
So guys, the jungle bar has gone on, the full hoop version. We got the Oricom UHF for Jure as well, so that way you can keep in contact with whoever he is with on the road. And then the Ultimas from Nava as well. 6 spotlight, we get very good range out of these and great spread actually. I'm very happy with how they actually spread for a spotty. So this should definitely keep you on the road, mate.
That's right, mate. Thanks for that, buddy.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate. Cheers.
Appreciate it.